as we'll ever be. Just as free. Free as we'll ever.
Watch from the left as Thunderbird 6 displays the historic Thunderbird emblem on the bottom of his aircraft with the knife edge pass.
We're living on the edge.
Now from your right, watch as our lead solo maintains level flight while performing the challenging slow roll.
I can't get these memories out of my mind, and some kind of I tried so hard to let you go, but some kind of
too fast.
Now look to your left and watch as our 4 diamond pilots display graceful lines of the F-16 with the line abreast pass. From low and to your right, count along with Thunderbird 6 as he performs a precise 8-point hesitation roll. Inbound from the left, Major Curtis will demonstrate the extraordinary roll performance of the F-16 with 4 consecutive aileron rolls at low altitude.